Welcome to our channel Maths is Thinking Itself. In this video, we take an example from exercise 9.1, class 8, the question number 3. So given two problems are there. So we can take here all four problems. So first two problems are add the followings. So हमें three algebraic expression की क्या करनी है यहाँ पे sum. In the second also same. So for that you have to write the given term in addition by using brackets. Okay. Then after second term, opening the bracket and write term as it is, because addition is there, so bracket preceded by plus sign, so sign will not change after opening the bracket. If there is a bracket preceded by negative sign, the sign will be changed from plus to minus. Then after the important step is finding out the like terms. AB, like term to AB is here, for BC here, and for CA. So collecting the like terms and combine them. So here mistake is happen when we are combining. So when we take the AB here, the AB is preceded by negative sign, so you have to take AB with this negative sign. If you don't take this negative sign, the mistake will be happen and answer will be wrong. So now AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. Now so AB minus AB gives 0, minus BC plus BC 0, and minus CA plus CA also 0. So sum of this algebraic expression is 0. So now another way to solve this example is column method. It is a horizontal method and next is column method. First example we take in the both method. So now column method, to arrange the given expression as AB minus BC. So here AB minus BC is there. So when we are writing the second term in this column method, so BC is like term to BC, so we write below, and then minus CA, which is not like term of AB, so we have write in third column. Then third term is CA minus AB, rearrange it and write the like term below. So AB ki like term minus AB, so write the below there. Then CA like term to the minus CA. Then here is the addition, so sign will not be changed. So AB minus AB gives 0, minus BC plus BC gives 0, and minus CA plus CA gives 0. So answer is 0. Then after you have to write, after solving the column method, therefore sign and repeat this statement and is equal to 0, and which is your final answer. Now we take the second example, A minus B plus AB in the bracket plus B minus C plus BC in the bracket plus C minus A plus AC in the bracket. Then after open the bracket, in the next term we have to combining the terms, like terms. So A, and here is minus A, so combine them, A minus B plus B minus C plus C, AB plus BC plus AC. So A minus A gives 0, minus B plus B gives 0, and minus C plus C gives 0. So there is nothing is left. So remaining terms are AB plus BC plus AC, and which is our final answer. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Now we take place the another example, question number 3 and 4. So 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 and 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Solution, so write it using bracket, then open the brackets because addition is there and bracket preceded by plus sign, so nothing will be changed. Now collecting the like terms, p square q square is the algebraic factors. Another term containing p square q square is this. So but observe that these 3 times p square q square is preceded by negative sign, then minus 3pq, 7pq, and the constant terms. Now combining them, but when you are taking this 3p square q square with this, so take this sign. If you forget this sign, or put the plus sign, your answer will be wrong. So 2 times p square q square minus 3 times p square q square minus 3pq. Don't change this sign because 3pq preceded by negative sign. If you forget this sign or change it, so your answer will be wrong. Then after 7 plus 7pq plus 4 plus 5. So here 2 is the coefficient of first and second minus 3. 2 minus 3 gives minus 1. So minus p square q square means minus 1 p square q square means minus p square q square. So right there. Similarly here minus 3 plus 7 you get coefficient 4. So 4 times pq and 4 plus 5 is 9, and which is the final answer. Now we take the last example, fourth example from this, which is very important. Now look at, write in the addition, then open the brackets, then after combining the like terms. So we have to find out the L square, here L square, here M square, M square, N square, N square. Combining them, L square plus L square, M square plus M square, N square plus N square, 2LM, 2MN and 2NL. So L square plus L square, 2L square, M square plus M square, 2M square. क्योंकि like term से most time it happen mistake, some student can consider this a multiplication sign. So please note that कि multiplication में L square into L square L raised to the power 4 होता है, but यहाँ पे addition है तो इनके कोएफिशिएंट की addition होगी 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2L square, 2M square and 2N square, 2LM, 2MN and 2NL. So we can see that all the in the terms 2 is common, so take it common 2 and write in the bracket L square plus M square plus N square, 2LM plus MN plus NL is the final answer. If you understand it, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you students.